In this video, I'll show you how to buy resale tickets on Ticketmaster. First, log into your Ticketmaster account and search for the event you want to attend. Once you find the event, select the number of tickets you want to buy. Next, look for the Filters option next to the ticket quantity selection. Click on it and uncheck all other options except for verified resale tickets. This ensures that you'll only see tickets being resold by other users, which are verified by Ticketmaster for authenticity. After applying the filter, the available resale tickets will appear. Select the resale tickets you want to buy and look for the verified resale label to confirm its authenticity. Click Buy Now and follow the normal checkout process. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. The tickets will be transferred to your Ticketmaster account. Resale tickets are usually delivered electronically, and you'll receive an email confirmation once the purchase is complete. And that's how you can buy resale tickets on Ticketmaster.